Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to make Afro Kinky wig. So first of all, you want to make sure that you have your net, that's your wig cap. I got this wig cap from a vendor, and I have my pins already. So if you don't have your pin, you need to get your pin and your dummy head, of course. What I'm using is Rosemary Kinky here. This brand here is Rosemary, so that's what I'll be using for this video. So first of all, you want to make sure that you divide the kinky into 3 parts. This is what I'm doing, and of course you will cut the edges off and divide the kinky into 3 parts. Like that's what you'll be using. The three parts is what you'll be using, because that's what I did here. So while crocheting, while doing your crochet, you want to make sure that you're using 2 holes. If you are using this type of net cap, you want to make sure that you use 2 holes, or maybe 3, because that is what I used. I make sure that I crochet into 2 holes or 3 sometimes. Move it anyhow and then wrap it around. Reasons being that you want to make sure that it's very strong and it does not pull off, kinky. Meanwhile, if you like this video, please do not forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment, share to your friends, so as to help this channel grow. Thank you. So there is this thing I noticed about the hair. You know, the middle part was kind of very scanty, and don't be scared if it happens to you. It will not show. This is Afro. It will not show. So this is Kinky and this is Afro, so it will not show. Even the middle part will not show that it's scanty. So this is the hair. Me, I wanted it very full. I didn't want it small. I wanted it full. So I didn't do much of the trimming. I just did a little trimming and that was it. So if you're enjoying this video, if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe and share to your friends. And if you want to buy this Afro, you can contact me. I will leave the link below. You can contact me to order for this hair. Thank you very much. See you in the next one. Bye.